You are currently cooking your daily meals in an industrial byproduct that was originally manufactured in the late 19th century as a cheap chemical substitute for lubricating heavy machinery. Every single time you pour liquid soybean, canola, or corn oil into your hot cooking pan, you are flooding your biological cell membranes with an unnatural, hyperconcentrated dose of oxidized linoleic acid that actively reshapes your internal chemistry. This single structural fat shift dramatically alters how your cellular walls handle oxidative stress, forcing your entire immune system into a state of silent, perpetual alarm. What the global food processing industry marketed to you as a heart-healthy choice is quietly rewriting your biological baseline from the inside out. In this investigation, we are going to trace the exact structural journey of linoleic acid from the massive chemical extraction tanks of industrial processing plants straight into your cell membranes. You will discover how your metabolic pathways convert excess omega-6 fatty acids into aggressive, pro-inflammatory signaling molecules called eicosanoids, why commercial food conglomerates rely on these cheap oils to extend package shelf life at the direct expense of your long-term health, and how to completely reset your cellular chemistry using 3 precise kitchen swaps. Picture sitting down to eat a warm restaurant meal, or opening a crisp bag of seasoned chips. An hour later, you notice an unexplained brain fog setting in, a heavy physical fatigue after eating, or a subtle creeping stiffness in your joints that leaves you reaching for another cup of coffee or an over-the-counter pill. You naturally assume you are just tired from a long, demanding day. But inside your cardiovascular network, something far more calculated is taking place. Your body relies on dietary fats to construct the literal microscopic walls of every single one of your 37 trillion cells. Think of these cellular membranes like the primary security doors of a house. When your body constructs those cellular doors using stable, natural saturated and monounsaturated fats, those membranes remain flexible, resilient, and perfectly capable of controlling what enters and leaves the cell. They act like precision security gates. Now imagine what happens when you construct those exact same doors out of highly unstable, chemically damaged material. Less than 100 years ago, linoleic acid, a specific omega-6 polyunsaturated fat found naturally in minor quantities in whole seeds and nuts, made up less than 2% of the total calories in the human diet. Today, that number has skyrocketed past 8% of total daily calorie intake. That represents a massive 400% increase in human consumption of a single, highly reactive polyunsaturated fat in less than 3 generations. How did this shift happen so quickly? It began when Midwestern agricultural processing plants discovered that they could take low-cost crops like soybeans, cottonseeds, and corn, crush them under extreme industrial pressure, and extract their remaining liquid fats using petroleum solvents like hexane. The resulting raw oil was dark, foul-smelling, and completely inedible. To make it palatable for human consumption, industrial factories subjected these oils to intense heat, acid washes, chemical bleaching agents, and high-temperature deodorizers. The final product was a crystal-clear, completely odorless liquid with a massive shelf life. It was cheap to manufacture, infinitely scalable, and insanely profitable. The commercial food system had successfully turned an industrial waste stream into the dominant cooking fat of the modern diet. In 1992, lipid researcher Dr. William Lands demonstrated that the exact ratio of omega-6 to omega-3 fatty acids sitting inside human tissues directly dictates the baseline reactivity of your immune system. When human tissues are flooded with an excess of linoleic acid, cellular membranes become unstable, highly volatile, and exceptionally vulnerable to a destructive chemical chain reaction known as lipid peroxidation. You know, while we are dissecting how these refined industrial oils came to dominate our food system, let me step outside the research for just a second to say something important. If you want us to keep investigating the hidden biochemical mechanisms behind modern food ingredients, please take 2 seconds right now to drop a quick comment sharing what cooking oil currently sits on your kitchen counter and subscribe to the channel. Doing that right now tells the system that deep nutrition science investigations matter, which gives us the resources we need to keep funding this exact kind of independent research. When you consume these chemically refined oils, linoleic acid molecules do not simply get burned up for immediate heat energy. Instead, your biology takes these unstable fatty acids and directly installs them into the physical membrane of your cells. Your physical structure is literally built out of the exact fats you consume. So what happens when these fragile, double-bond heavy fats actually cross your intestinal barrier and enter your blood circulation? This is where the metabolic trap completely snaps shut. Linoleic acid is an omega-6 polyunsaturated fatty acid containing 2 distinct double bonds in its chemical carbon chain. In organic chemistry, a carbon double bond represents a structural point of vulnerability. Oxygen molecules are constantly searching for electrons to steal, and those double bonds offer an extremely easy target. When seed oils are heated in deep fryers, stored in warm ambient warehouses, or even left sitting under fluorescent lights in clear plastic bottles, those chemical double bonds break down. Oxygen attacks the carbon chain, creating toxic secondary compounds known as oxidized linoleic acid metabolites. Think about what happens when you leave a bucket of raw iron nails outside in the rain. They rust. Oxidized linoleic acid is essentially rusted fat circulating through your blood vessels. When you consume these oxidized fats, your body has no immediate way to safely neutralize them. Once linoleic acid is embedded into your cellular membranes, an internal enzyme called delta-6 desaturase converts that linoleic acid into another long-chain fat called arachidonic acid. Under normal conditions, arachidonic acid sits quietly inside the membrane wall, but the moment your body encounters biological stress or physical micro-irritation, an enzyme called phospholipase A2 acts like a pair of molecular scissors, slicing arachidonic acid right out of your cell membrane. Once freed, arachidonic acid feeds directly into 2 enzymatic pathways inside your cells. These pathways rapidly transform arachidonic acid into series 2 prostaglandins, thromboxanes, and leukotrienes. These are intensely aggressive pro-inflammatory signaling molecules that command your blood vessels to constrict, instruct your immune system to launch an emergency response, and cause localized tissues to swell with fluid. Did you eat a meal prepared with commercial vegetable oil today? If you ate at a restaurant, enjoyed a packaged snack, or opened a container of store-bought dressing, the answer is almost certainly yes. Your cellular membranes are currently loaded with these hyperreactive precursor fats, waiting for the slightest trigger to fire off an inflammatory response. In 2016, Dr. Christopher Ramsden and his research team at the National Institutes of Health published a landmark reanalysis of the Minnesota coronary experiment, a massive controlled clinical trial conducted decades earlier. The original trial had attempted to prove that replacing traditional saturated fats like butter with high linoleic vegetable oils would improve health outcomes simply because it lowered total serum cholesterol numbers. What Ramsden discovered when analyzing the raw, unpublished biological data shocked the scientific community. While replacing saturated fat with linoleic acid did lower total cholesterol, every 30 mg per deciliter drop in cholesterol was actually associated with a 22% increase in mortality risk. Lower cholesterol came at a devastating biological cost. Why? Because the linoleic acid had incorporated directly into the low-density lipoprotein particles circulating through the patient's bloodstreams. Once inside those particles, the delicate linoleic acid oxidized, turning normal transport particles into highly aggressive oxidized LDL. Oxidized LDL acts like microscopic debris inside your artery walls, triggering immune macrophages to swallow them until they turn into swollen foam cells, forming the foundation of arterial plaque. You are not looking at wholesome, heart-healthy food. You are looking at unstable industrial chemistry packaged inside modern grocery items. Let that biological reality sink in for a moment. When you look at traditional, unrefined fats like extra virgin olive oil, cold-pressed coconut oil, or pasture-raised tallow, their chemical structures are dominated by stable monounsaturated and saturated fatty acids. Saturated fats contain 0 double bonds. They are chemically complete, rigid, and almost entirely immune to heat and oxidation. Monounsaturated fats contain only 1 double bond, making them remarkably resilient under normal cooking temperatures. Industrial seed oils, by contrast, are loaded with polyunsaturated fats possessing multiple vulnerable double bonds, making them volatile chemical time bombs sitting on your pantry shelves. It is time to take absolute control over your cellular biochemistry with 3 immediate practical steps you can take in your kitchen and at the grocery store starting today. Step 1 is the total kitchen audit and the complete elimination of the 8 high linoleic industrial seed oils. Walk over to your pantry and check every liquid oil, salad dressing, mayonnaise, and packaged food item. You need to identify and remove the 8 primary offenders: soybean oil, corn oil, canola oil, cottonseed oil, sunflower oil, safflower oil, peanut oil, and rice bran oil. Look carefully at ingredient labels for hidden phrases like vegetable oil blend or may contain one or more of the following. If any of these 8 high linoleic oils appear on the label, put the product back. Biologically, removing these oils immediately stops the continuous supply of unstable omega-6 fats into your cell membranes, allowing your tissues to slowly purge oxidized lipid stores over time. Step 2 is rebuilding your cellular framework with heat-stable whole food fats. Replace every refined liquid vegetable oil on your counter with high-purity, minimally processed alternatives. For low to medium heat cooking and fresh dressings, choose certified single-origin extra virgin olive oil in dark glass bottles, which provides protective antioxidant polyphenols and stable monounsaturated fats. For high-heat roasting, searing, and frying, use traditional fats like cold-pressed coconut oil, grass-fed butter, ghee, or authentic pasture-raised tallow. These traditional fats possess dense, heat-stable chemical structures with minimal double bonds, meaning they maintain their molecular integrity even when exposed to intense culinary heat, ensuring 0 oxidized metabolites enter your bloodstream. Step 3 is mastering the restaurant environment and reading past commercial label tricks. Over 80% of restaurant kitchens cook exclusively with cheap soybean or canola oil blends because they are extremely inexpensive and neutral in flavor. When dining out, proactively ask your server if your meal can be prepared using real butter, pure olive oil, or cooked dry on a clean grill. When buying packaged products like hummus, pesto, or baked chips, ignore every single health claim written on the front of the box. Marketing phrases like "made with olive oil" are legally permitted even if 90% of the fat content inside the container is actually cheap, oxidized soybean oil. Turn the package completely around, inspect the actual ingredient list, and verify that the only fat source listed is pure olive oil, avocado oil, or coconut oil. As you stand in the grocery store aisle today, something fundamental inside your perception has shifted forever. You no longer view bright plastic bottles of vegetable oil as harmless cooking staples. You see them clearly for what they are: refined industrial products designed for corporate shelf life, not for human cellular performance. You are no longer a passive consumer blindly accepting front-of-package marketing slogans. You are an informed investigator who understands lipid chemistry, who reads the back label with precision, and who actively protects the structural integrity of every cell in your body. Which oil is in your kitchen right now? Click the like button on this video immediately as a fast, practical bookmark so you can instantly pull up these exact oil-checking steps the next time you are standing in the supermarket aisle reading ingredient labels. The global food manufacturing system operates on the assumption that you will never take the time to learn how molecular chemistry dictates your biological health. Now that you hold the scientific truth behind linoleic acid, eicosanoids, and cellular inflammation, you hold absolute authority over what gets built into your physical body. We are already deep into our next investigation, breaking down a hidden synthetic chemical compound hiding inside another universal daily grocery product that quietly alters your gut microbiome without your knowledge. Subscribe right now so you do not miss the exact moment that scientific revelation drops.